Umizoomi! I'm lost. I was trying to get to the circus, but I think I went the wrong way. Now I don't know where I am. I see a tractor, cows, and the big red barn. The farm? But I'm not supposed to be at the farm. I'm supposed to be at the circus. Team Umizoomi, I'm so glad you guys are here. I need help getting out of here. Look at me. Thanks. Now I just need to get there. I'll never get to the circus in time. Come on. We've got a circus to get to. Oh, Umi City sure is a big place. How am I ever going to find my way to the circus? This street sure has a lot of cars and trucks and buses. Wait, I see a way. If I could just get up to that tightrope, I could tightrope walk over the street. Thanks, Gio. Here I go. I don't think I can do this much longer. Thanks for helping me. I hope I get to the circus soon. I really want to be in the show. We have to hurry. I can't miss my chance to be in the circus. Circus, here I come. Ta-da! Uh-oh. But I am an elephant. See? I've got floppy ears and big feet and a long trunk. You opened the first lock. Yay! You're doing great. Hurry, Bot. Look at... I'm free. Thank you. Thanks, Bot. The circus. I've got to hurry. I hope we're getting close to the circus tent. Walk? Who says I have to walk? We can fly to the circus on top of these bubbles. Uh-oh, trouble. Help me blow more bubbles till there are 10. Thanks, but we're not out of trouble yet. And look, there's the circus tent. I need your help. Count down with me. Start with 15. I made it. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Watch as I walk that. That's not all. I can also dance now for my most amazing trick of all. Thanks, Team Umizoomi. I never could have done it without all your help. Now here's something just for you. And this bubble's just for you.